Okay, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a quick wrap-up video. I had a loser, a winner, and a winner. Okay, so let's go over the trades right here at 31, right about right here at 31 at 938, right there. I tried to go long right there because, well, we had to move down and we had that 31 lot kind of kick off and kind of broke that. So I tried to get long. I was in the green and then I had to take a loser. So that was like a $400 loser right there. So I was like, okay. So I took a loss. First trade of the morning was a loser, not a problem. And then I didn't go short here. I did not go short here because I just didn't think it was good enough. Then I saw that 70 lot kick off and I was streaming and I said, okay. And then I saw that 174 and I was like, okay, if we get below that 70 and we see a big contracts come in and we see a big large order contract come in of short, that right there would be support. And I was looking for shorts right around in here, but it didn't happen. We got that 37 lot, then we moved up, and then I was like, well, are we just going to bounce around? Who knows? So then we had that nice green candle. And once I saw that 174 right there, I was using that as support. And so when we broke this, I kind of ran up and then I was tightening my stop up because I was looking at the heat map uh, and I got stopped out for like 17 points, I think. So I took that $400 loser and then I was only like negative $70, I think, something like that. So then we kind of traded along and we really didn't get very much. I didn't want to go short up here because we were kind of trending up. So I didn't want to do that. So then right up here around 190, I was looking at the heat map and then we were getting absorbed on the heat map. This is the heat map that I am developing right here. This is going to be released pretty soon. Um, this is going to be released pretty soon this week. So what I was looking at these orders, and I really can't go back because I kind of drop them off after about 2 hours. I kind of drop it off. But we were kind of coming up into like a resting order area, and I noticed that we were getting absorbed. So I just couldn't do anything. So I didn't pull the trigger, and then we kind of pulled down. Then right up in here, the 53, I was getting ready to pull the trigger, and then I was like, no, because resting orders, they were sitting there on that heat map I just showed you. Because that's a 1 minute on the heat map. We have a live pulse mode as well. That's going to be released. I'm hoping to get it released probably tomorrow, maybe. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know on stream. We started getting absorbed up in here, and then we kind of went down. I was like, oh man, then we saw that 94, and I was like, I'm not playing this game. And then we kind of moved up. So we broke that absorption area where the resting orders were for the asks. And then right here, you see a 43 seller tried to sell, and this is an A-plus setup. This is what I like to see. We're sloping upwards. We're above the VWAP. We're sloping upwards. And the 43 lot seller tried to short, and then we closed above. I was like, that's what I like to see. And we got some orders stepping in at 46. So that, who knows? That could have been that person covering. Who knows? Then we had a 51 lot try to sell. Maybe it's the same institution or person that is trying to short it. But once we broke this area, what I was thinking is, okay, this is the trade that I normally do, is catch a short offside, which we did here, catch that short. Once we broke that area, then what you can do is go ahead and get in because that 43 and that 51 is taking heat right here, and they're looking at these orders coming in. They're looking at a 180 lot getting kicked off, and they're already underwater, and they see that 65, and then they see that 200, and I think I got out like right here for about 30 points, and then I had a $400 loser, had like a $300 some dollar winner, and then we had this 30-point winner. So I was pretty much done. I was thinking I'm not going to make much money. I'm pretty much done. So then we kind of trade along, and what's missing here? What's missing here? We had nice participation up in here, and then right up in here around 10:45, lack of participation. We tried to get someone to go short to push the market down, but you got to think about the area right here. that green right there, that bubble profile, that's support right there. Those are those orders right there. This right here, these are these large buy orders right here. So we didn't have much participation, and we kind of just grinded through. And we had a 94. Then when you closed above that 94, you could have gotten yourself a quick little scalp, but that really wasn't very much. And then we had a 40 with nice hammer, get about a 5-10 point scalp on that, just some base hits. And then a 34, you got caught. But then this one right here is a nice one. You have 139 lot. And the thing is, you got 139 contracts that just kicked off, trying to push the market down. We didn't close above them. That's what I like to see, is close above them. But you got to read this area right here, that 139 lot right here. I'm going to be releasing this soon. Okay, this is not out right now. It's not out right now, but you can download the other indicator and the DOM indicator. This is going to be ready this week, so you'll be able to use it and start trading next week with it. That 139 lot right there, we didn't close above it, but hey, what do we have right here? We got some green, a little low volume, but what are we lacking up here? We're lacking the large resting order. So I was thinking a break of this and we can come up here, and that's what we did. We came up here to this area. I saw that and I just got out and took the profits. So I'm designing this heat map right here. This is off a 1 minute with a tick merge of 2. You can go to a 1 minute, a 30-second, 15-second, 5-second, or live pulse. If you go live pulse, what that's going to do is just show you the bubbles are going to form like it does on Bookmap, but the bubbles I have designed to form like every 100 milliseconds it forms. But all that is going to be ready for download. I'm hoping by the end of the week. I'm going to try and get this out so we can probably try and get people to download it Thursday night, hopefully. But keep checking on the website. It's all in beta right now, and it's free to use in beta. So go ahead and get it, use it, see what you think about it. And once it comes out of beta, if you want to keep supporting me and building this stuff out for the community, then fine, that's great. I would love it. But I didn't do this on stream because I usually cut the stream around 11:30. I had to cut the stream early, around 11:30, because I had to go pick up my kid. But, and the wife was doing something. So, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for trapped buyers or sellers, trapped traders, and play their pain. Okay, so we just had a few trades today. We didn't have any huge winners, no 50, 100-point runs. We didn't have any of that. Okay, but hey, we might get it tomorrow. So come check out the stream at 9:15 if you want to, and we'll see if we can't get some winners together. Talk to you later. Bye.